Before you decide to download Bright, the finance app that promises to revolutionize the way you manage your money, here are 12 things you need to know. Bright has been gaining traction in the crowded finance app market, but how does it compare to other popular options like Mint or YNAB? Stick around until the end, and I'll tell you whether it's the right app for you or if there's a better alternative. First off, the user interface is sleek and intuitive. Bright makes it easy for anyone, whether you're a finance pro or a beginner, to navigate and track your expenses, view your bank balances, and set up financial goals. It's clean, with minimal distractions, but not overly simplistic like some of its competitors. Next thing to consider, its budget management feature. Unlike Mint, which gives you a more detailed breakdown of your finances, Bright keeps things simple. You can categorize spending, set limits, and get a quick view of how you're doing. However, if you're someone who needs in-depth, granular reporting, you might find it a little basic compared to YNAB's more robust tools. The third thing, automatic syncing. Bright integrates with most banks and financial institutions, so your transactions update automatically, giving you a real-time overview of your finances. But if you've used apps like Personal Capital, you might notice that the syncing here isn't always as fast or seamless. The fourth thing, expense tracking. While Bright does a great job of categorizing transactions automatically, it doesn't quite match up to competitors when it comes to customization. Apps like Pocket Guard or Good Budget offer better ways to tailor categories or track very specific spending habits, which could be a deal breaker for users who like more control over their tracking. Next, we have financial goals. Bright allows you to set up goals for things like savings or paying off debt, which is great for those looking for some guidance. But apps like Digit or Capital provide more features to help you actually automate saving toward these goals, which gives them an edge when it comes to making your money work for you automatically. The sixth thing to know is the subscription model. Bright offers a free version, but if you want to unlock premium features like advanced reports and investment tracking, you'll need to upgrade. While it's not the most expensive finance app on the market, it's worth noting that many competitors like Mint offer a full set of features for free, making Bright's premium pricing something to consider. Another thing is investment tracking. If you're a serious investor, Bright may not be the app for you. Unlike apps such as Personal Capital, which offer a deeper dive into investment performance and retirement planning, Bright keeps things basic. It's great for beginners, but if you want detailed insights into your investments, you'll need a more specialized tool. Next up, security. Bright uses standard encryption and two-factor authentication, which is great for keeping your financial data safe. But if you're someone who has a lot of sensitive financial information, you might prefer a service like Mint, which offers a bit more reassurance with its financial data protection measures. The ninth thing, customer support. Bright offers solid support with email and chat options, but it's not as responsive as some other apps. If you run into issues, you might have to wait longer than you would with other competitors who provide more immediate help. The 10th thing, savings features. While Bright gives you the ability to track your savings, it doesn't have the same extensive savings tools that some apps offer, like automatic savings or roundup features found in apps like Acorns or Capital. Next, let's talk about credit score monitoring. Bright provides free credit score tracking, which is nice, but it's not as detailed or as actionable as some of the top competitors like Credit Karma, which offers more insights into what's impacting your score. The 12th thing is its reporting features. Bright provides basic reports on your spending, but it doesn't have the same in-depth analysis or forecasting that some other apps like YNAB or Mint offer. If you're looking for high-level insights to help with your future financial planning, you might be left wanting more. To sum it up, Bright is a solid finance app, especially for beginners. It does a good job of keeping things simple and easy to use, and it offers some great features for managing your money. However, if you're looking for a more advanced and feature-rich app, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It offers everything Bright does and more, so you can take your finances to the next level.